student, today we are going to study relationship between total utility and marginal utility. It is very important to know what is the total utility and what is the marginal utility. My dear student, first you have to understand meaning of utility. Meaning of utility. Utility means usefulness. Usefulness of any goods and commodity. My dear student, simple. Suppose whatever you are commodity you are using in your day-to-day life, do you have any measurement? Do you have any units that you measure a glass of water usefulness? I think no. For example, when we are going to take 1 kg, 1 meter of any commodity, that is called units. But a glass of water, a glass of water, 1 mango, okay, these are the goods. What is the utility? What is the utility? How can you measure in this terms of utilities? My dear students, it is not possible. You cannot measure usefulness of a glass of water. You cannot measure a mango usefulness because it is a psychological things. Psychological thing. Why it is psychological things? Come to in this, but in economics, but in economics, but in economics, it is possible. We can measure usefulness of a glass of water. We can measure whatever the commodity used in your day-to-day life. So, economics say whatever the commodity we are using, measure the usefulness in terms of utils. Okay, in terms of utils, that is called utility. So, in your chapter that is called consumer behavior, in this chapter, your first topic is that what is the meaning of utility, what is utils, what is total utility, what is marginal utility. So, you have to first understand that utility. Come to this table. 1 unit of any commodity, okay, any example you take like bread, mango, etc. If you are going to take 1 mango, suppose I am going to take utility of 1 mango is equal to 10. It is not a standard unit, it is not a worldwide unit. The producer is going to take utility of 1 mango is equal to 10 utils. That is called total utility. When the consumer is going to consume 2 mangoes, the total utility of mango is going to be 17. When the consumer is going to intake third unit, that is utility is 21. When the consumer is going to intake 4 units of mangoes, fourth, that you can say the fourth, the total utility is going to be 22. Fifth, 22. What about the sixth? The total utility is going to be decrease. Because you are going to add in your consumption. It is your consumption. When you are consuming first one, that is 10. When you are consuming sixth one, the utility is going to decrease by firstly it increase, then after that decrease. What is the marginal utility? Marginal means addition. When you are going to Marginal means additional. The word marginal in economics is very important. Marginal means addition. In this topic, marginal is addition. Addition of commodity. Addition of commodity. Addition of commodity. In here, marginal means addition of commodity. And what is the meaning of marginal utility? What is the meaning of marginal utility? Marginal utility meaning is different. Marginal means addition. A marginal utility means when you are consuming one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, that you are consuming first. It prefers different meaning. The marginal utility calculated by this way. Here, the marginal utility of 10, 15, how to calculate 15? 17 minus 2, 21 minus 3, 19, 22 minus 4 is 18. So what do you observe, my dear student? First it increases, okay, then it decreases, okay, this section is going to decreases and it is negative. There are four situations. It is increasing order, it is decreasing order, and it is zero. It is negative, there are three situations is going to be arises. It is decreasing, increasing. So what will happen in increasing? Total, you can see the relationship here. Relationship of today our topic is relationship of TU and MU. When total utility is going to increase, marginal utility also increases. Here, when total utility is constant, not change, then marginal utility is going to be decrease. When total utility is going to be decrease, the marginal utility is going to be zero. So with the help of a graph, I am going to explain, my dear student. This graph I am going to make here. This is for total utility and this is for marginal utility. Okay, you just take units from here, okay, and just take TU from here and MU from here. My dear student, what will observe? This is the TU, and what is the MU? This is MU. Do you observe the relation? I draw directly, but I will keep what is our purpose of here. My dear student, this is the situation when TU is going to be increasing here from 0, from 10, 17, 21. This is the situation of going to be increasing. What will happen? This is a situation going to be decreasing, 22. Okay. Then after that, it is a situation of 19 where it's going to be decreasing. So at the constant position, you have to draw this. This is the relation you have to see here, my dear student. When TU is maximum, MU is 0. I am going to write here. When TU is maximum and TU is maximum, MU is 0. It is a TU and it is a 0. This is the MU curve and this is a TU curve. Okay. Next is that two relation. It is when it is increasing, it is going to be decreasing. it shows. It means here when TU is increasing, MU is going to be decreasing. MU is decreasing. Okay. When it is going to be increasing, it becomes decreasing. Okay. So another thing is that when it is decreasing, this one, when it is going to be decreasing, this one, when it is going to be decreasing, when it is going to be decreasing, it is 0. It is going to be 0. Okay. It is going to be negative below, because you know that it is 0 point, and below the 0 it is a minus. It is a minus section. You have already studied in the coordinate. -1, -2. This is the coordinate. It is going to be negative. So you can write down when TU is decreasing. When TU is decreasing, MU
0.
negative. Okay. So there are three relations here. What you say that when TU is maximum, MU is 0. Okay. You can say that when TU is going to be increasing, MU is less than 0. What is the observation this side? When TU is going to be decreasing, what happened? MU is also negative. Negative means less than 0. There are three observations. When TU is maximum, MU is 0. 0 means on this axis. What is this? TU is going to be increasing, MU is going to be decreasing. That is why we have wrote less than 0. What about this? When TU is 19, here, when TU is 19, MU is -3. This -3 is absorbed here. Okay, that is -3 is observed here. Okay, so TU is going to be decreased, so MU will always be negative. This is the first three relations. Relation number 1, relation number 2, and relation number 3 is here mentioned here. You can write in your copy. So today's our topic that relationship between TU and MU. It is very important for your exam. Okay, thank you, my student.